what's up? Today I will show you how to set up the environment of VS Code for your programming. So first, you need to go to files and then create a folder and give a name of the folder. Then click on it and create a text document and rename which is the main part. For HTML, you need to write index.html. You can write everything, but make sure that after the dot you write it HTML. Then go to the VS Code and click on the files and select the open folder option and select your folder and click on the folder and select folder. Look, your HTML file is showing here. You can write HTML code here. Your VS Code is ready for HTML codes. Look, I am writing HTML codes. Now click on the Open with Live Server. It will work. Look, it is working. So I need a CSS file because I want to design my HTML code. For this you need to take a text document again and write or rename style.css for CSS codes. You make sure that after the dot you write it as CSS. Your CSS file will show here, and here you can write any CSS codes. Look, I am writing color for my HTML code. I want to color my HTML code and click on the web open with live server. But it is not working. Why? Oh, I found it. I don't link with the CSS. So you need to link with CSS. Look, maybe it will work now. It is working. You can try with me. Maybe your code will work. Now I want to color my background. So I am writing background, then blue. To color the background, it's working. Oh, you can see that